Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee 80th anniversary in bright white. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, remote start system, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 10920A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.